Hi ladies and gents, welcome to the first look of the new DS7. It is not anymore a DS7 Spec, it's just DS7. They've also added some new packages, so it's basically the same car with new interior, exterior options. If we come a little bit closer, no purple lights inside. You have 3 lenses. You have these daytime running lights that turn into turn signals. We have piano black with a lot of diamond details. DS here in black. You have the wide lens for the 360 parking, night vision camera, badge there, little unpainted plastic going around if we go slightly off-roading, and a little piano black at the bottom, big air intake on the top, and a little bit on the bottom, and radar for the safety, emergency braking, cruise distance, and so on. Beautiful, gorgeous SUV. It looks like Q7, but in a French style. And you can see the parking sensors integrated. You can see the big, beautiful alloys. These are diamond cut, silver on matte gray finish. They look amazing. Came on Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. 245 35 R21, 21-inch alloys, DS. So I don't know how to pronounce this La Premiere. Actually, I do. Side contrasting black mirrors, black surrounding around the windows. Weird tint on the rear. Black, slim aluminum roof racks, tinted panel roof that's openable. Light and rain sensor and camera there. Beautiful speaker over there. A little loud music. I have to keep going fast here. You have here the AC charging port. This is the E10s, and you can see you can unlock or press to lock. Driver's side has a physical cylinder there. Close this up. You have the DS here, black lights, beautiful diamonds, and dynamic turn signals. E10s 4x4, black badging, DS. So this is some sort of sport package, DS automobiles. You can see that. So this is probably the performance line. You can see this. It looks like Q7. Have real exhaust pipes, both of them. Little diffuser, discrete on the back, and you have a little camera here for the back. White LED license plates. Now let's press it to open up. If I back up, you can see the full car. Doesn't open too tall though. So you can see that a little bit better. You can adjust the height here, you can press to close. On the top, there's a room for emergency triangle. The rest is plain, there's a rubber stoppers here. There's a hard shelf here, you can remove it. Huge space here, seats knocked down 60-40. Have a little side room there. You can pull here to knock down the seats from the back. Both ends you have the lights and you can knock down the seats. There's a 12-volt outlet on the left. More room here. Now this was supposed to be up. You can see here the 4 to the points and a little strap on the right. Now there's 4 fingers of height here. So this is the lower position. I think there should be actually false floor. So you can see that. There's room for AC charging cables. Now there should be a special floor, false floor here, you can see that, but it's missing. Now, checking the car for this angle, definitely looks like a Q7. And I love these alloys, they're massive, but they look so good. Petrol is here, it's locked from the inside. Let's get on the other side. Have the shark fin. Now I did review recently the older model that has cross in its name, but have double sealing there. Doors open wide. If you need to lock for the child seat, you can take this out, push a key inside, turn it so it locks it from the inside. This is nice and softly padded, double glazed windows. Nice speaker design there. Beautiful leather, softly padded. Textile inset here, big pockets for the water bottle, and also beautiful speaker there. Aluminium doorstep. Here you can adjust the seats. I think, yeah, and power windows. Beautiful details. I'm just a little bit rushing because of the music and my battery. Beautiful seat. So this is the new option, light interior. A lot of cushions, perforated. It looks amazing. So sorry if I'm a little bit rushing, but just limited with the time a bit. And over here you can see the rear. Now it would be flat if there was that false floor I was mentioning. Let's close it up. Now there's a speaker on the rear here. So let's jump inside. Now there's some music here right next to the car, but let's close this up. So good soundproof. Now, okay, let's see. Seat in the lowest position, adjusted for myself. A little bit tight. You have room here. This is nicely softly padded, covered by leather. Air vents on the rear. You can adjust those, and you have the AC controls there. Fan speed, 2 USB A's. You can adjust the front headrest there. Now, really super comfortable seats. You can watch my other review of the older model, where I was a little bit more longer with the video. Nice big tall windows. You can adjust these. There should be press here to lower them. Love the headrest. There's a small one here. You can open up here, armrest. You have 2 cup holders. Let's see if we can press some lights. Yeah, there are 2 lights here. Just press them and they turn on. You can see that a lot better. Now I don't have to rush because outside was just so loud, and you can see that. Now, yeah, nothing special there. There's like a little thing here. The shade is electronically adjustable. So let me see if I can share some more light. You can see the panel roof. Yeah, okay, so beautiful, gorgeous front. 2 meter tall person. Yeah, head roof is a issue, always lack of headspace in that case, but yeah. I think without the panel roof, it'd be perfect. Now let's get to the front. Before we do that, all 4 sides have handles, slowly closing, adjustable seat belts, but no hooks for the like shirts or something similar. Now, look, the music is not so loud at the moment. I have the blind spot warning there, and there's a little light here. So no 360, I guess it's only cameras on the front and rear. Front doors open and close. They're not too loud. Yeah, it's a good closing sound. Got distracted for a moment there. We have here double ceiling, soft on the front. Beautiful. Look at this 3D details in leather and some sort of contrast. Wow, look at the stitching. This is amazing. I see this for the first time. It looks amazing. Focal electro speakers there and at the bottom. So this is beautiful white and dark theme. This is leather. On the bottom it's just plastic. Here also have some details inside, but it's nice and sturdy. The S aluminum doorstep. You can see the tire pressure here and tire dimension. Sport paddles. Someone broke the latch, so we won't be able to open that. Massage seats, memory, a lumbar, back and forth for the whole seat. You have the knee area up and down, whole seat up and down, and tilt up and back and forward. You can manually adjust this, as you can see, and yeah, big bolsters on the top, quite comfortable seats. Look at all this cushions and DS headrest, also pretty cool. You can put your key here. Your battery is low. For the key fob, you can manually adjust the steering column. Your cruise control options are here. Electronically adjustable and foldable mirrors. Lane assist, press twice to open or close the rear. Program for the battery. Front heated windshield, I guess, and fuel cap. Let's jump inside. And voila, I'm gonna switch to wide lens, and that is beautiful. Look at that, looks amazing, especially with this new infotainment that's nice and fast. And there's a lot of luxury details inside. Love the DS design I love the clock. Start-stop engine. It just looks amazing. Zooming back in, you have here the little sensors for the eyes for driver alert or driver attention. Steering wheel is nice leather sport. I'm gonna go quick here. So volume, options for the digital cockpit list, and for the radio station, if you roll this one, source, Bluetooth, USB, phone calls. Sport paddles there. Press here to move that, and there are also light controls, or here you can press to see a trip computer. You can see all this probably move for a car show. Now, eye distance, the screen is amazing. It does look a little bit bad on the camera. It's more better and sharp in person. You have here like Louvre. You're in Paris, so you all know what that means, the Pyramid Museum. And yeah, this is all stiff, covered by leather. This is soft on the top. I like the speaker there, a little beautiful clock. I think it has illumination there. Start-stop engine, you can press. Of course, you need the key for that. Air vents, again, Louvre, and look at this exquisite details. It just looks amazing. Now, I don't think these are ambient lights. They're from the lights outside. And a quick overview, a new infotainment, beautiful sharp graphics, beautiful sharp screen. You can press here to mute, hold to turn off the infotainment. They have this like clock. It looks really beautiful because it has diamonds. I think this is more classy, although you have the clock on the top. You can change the volume here, heating, AC off, air circulation, car settings. So these are touch buttons. These are like home button. You have physical button for the hazards. You can see them through the mirrors there. It's nice. Of course, it's a touch screen. You can swipe here. You can go to navigation. The maps are quite nice and fast. Also 3D, so it's all pretty cool. I can press here, 3 fingers goes to the menu, and that I believe you have the I showed you the massage options and so on. I'm not going to be detailed here. I did cover that in my other video, so check it out. On the top, bezel-less mirror, good overview on the rear. There's no AC, so I'm kind of sweating inside. You can see here all lights there if you touch them, and you can open or close the top. Alarm system off, emergency call, road assistance, documents holder, beauty mirror there, and I don't think this extends, but let's just cover that area as well. You can see the hood. The car is nice and tall. Good overview for the mirrors and all around you. 2 meter tall person. I'm not sure if this is this would be the lowest position, and plenty of headroom, so it's all good. Now, I did kind of skip this part. This is all covered by leather. It's nice and soft. You can press here. You have USB-C and actually 2 USB-Cs for fast charging, full outlet there. QR charger, wireless mat. There's a little battery symbol there that lights up when it's charging. A little tray there. Automatic, park, reverse, neutral, drive, brake for recuperation, parking brake, windows front and rear. So this is double glazing. I'm not sure if you can see that. And the rear as well. The rear has some sort of tint. I'm not sure if it's like UV protection or some sort of like privacy mirror, but it is what it is. You can lock the car here. I'll try here for your smartphone. You can lock the rear for the kids and driver's side. Driving modes here, you can see four-wheel drive. You can personalize this. You can have sport, hybrid, comfort, and electric. So beautiful cup holders. Love the aluminum. They're adjustable, rubber mat. Everything is premium, soft to the touch. If you open here, big room, rubber mat. Again, you can put a water bottle here. I think there's a cooling option, and there's a little cool light there. There's a little tray you can put here and here. That's what these are for. And not to miss, of course, big glove compartment, nice flint inside. Look at that. It's really deep, and I can see there's, I think, an AC option. cooler drinks. I might be wrong though. I can't see that. Good, it's pretty dark. You can turn on the light inside once the ignition is on. Yeah, amazing car. I didn't go to the details. I did in my other video with the night vision, with the heads-up display, and so on. Yeah, that's not it. Yeah, it was this one. So just here you have navigation. To wrap it up, you have the driving. You have the dials, and you can change those there's a personal where you can change stuff. You can see the night vision or the car in front, and energy here, energy flow, so you can see the projection of the car with the 2 electric motors rear and petrol engine on the front. Minimum display and all nicely designed. And personal, and the personal you can change in the infotainment screen. Let's get on the front. Actually, we're gonna wrap it up because we can't open the front bonnet, but new DS7 E10s 360 La Premiere. So, well, almost 80,000 euros. So 200 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, autonomy 57 kilometers of electric drive. Let's see here. English. So there we configure the technology, division, gallery, configuration, colors, and there's the tech spec there. So thanks for watching. I was a little bit quicker on this one, but it's the end of the car show. I wanted to use the time to film it. If you want to see more from Paris Auto Show, do subscribe. I'm going to also cover the new DS3 facelift. See you in the next one. Bye.